Hey YouTube, it's Sean with YouTube Pays My Mortgage. So it's Friday night. I just came by the house and man, some good news. Finally, some good news in this major renovation. Every time I turn the corner, there's something else. It's just, oh God, it's never going to end. Finally, some good news. So I came by to check on to see what the plumbers did. Let me show you what the plumbers did. So the plumbers took out all that cast iron pipe and replaced it with all the new stuff. So there won't be any more leaks, at least not anytime soon. And they moved the sink to there when it was over there. So I'm gonna have the sink here with a bar. Anyways, so, and the plumbers took care of the other bathroom. Got rid of the tub spout, put in a brand new drain all the way down to the main pipes. Then just for the shower. And here's the good news. Finally, there's good news. Look at this paneling. Look at this wood paneling. Okay. Look at this bucket of drywall joint compound. I was about to take a putty knife and fill in all these cracks. Every crack. So I started to take off some of the trim, right? And lo and behold, there's drywall behind it. Oh my goodness. Isn't that, oh man. Finally, some good news. So I pulled this much off in about 10 minutes. I could have this whole room done in an hour or so, but it's late and I'm gonna tackle it tomorrow. And then I'll just use a little bit of that joint compound and there's drywall behind it. Oh, it's amazing. So finally, some good news. So there's a short little update for you. I got plenty more coming. I got a lot of footage. I just need to get editing. So hey, thank you guys so much. Subscribe so you can go along for this crazy ride with me. And every month or so, I'll give you guys a ballpark figure of what I spent and how many hours I got in it. So, hey, thank you so much. Until next time, you'll see me here.